I am going to show you how to do this heart half up, half down using my color-coded braiding cap. Now orange, the hair that's above the ears, is going to come into the middle, creating your half up, half down. Next, we're going to take red. Red is going to be a little section underneath orange. You're going to bring red close to the hair tie into the middle. You're going to take your two fingers, you're going to put it above red, but underneath orange. This will create the pathway. You're going to bring red up into your fingers and you're going to pull through. And this will create half your heart. We are going to do the same on the other side. Red will be brought close to the hair tie in the middle. My two fingers will be above red, but underneath orange, creating the path. Red will be brought into my fingers on top, and I'm going to pull through. And this creates your heart. So on the mannequin head, this is your orange brought into the middle. This is my red. Red is going to come to the hair tie in the middle. Here are my two fingers. I'm putting it above red, but underneath orange, creating the pathway, bringing red to the top into my fingers and pulling through. And here's half my heart. Grabbing red on the other side, bringing it into the middle next to the hair tie. Here are my two fingers above red, but underneath orange, creating my pathway, bringing red to the top, pulling it through, creating my heart. Pulling on the sides, and this is how you get your heart.